In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Foot Locker promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go over to your web browser and search a Foot Locker promo code and click enter. Then you're gonna scroll down until you see this website, zootons.ae. You're gonna click on it. So as you guys can see, these are for September 2023. So then you can scroll down until you see these codes. So the first one is max 70% off, and as you can see, it's verified, so it's more likely gonna work. So you can just click on this exclusive button and it's gonna show up the code. So that's the code ARBF. So all you have to do is click copy code and go to their official website, and then you can choose your products and use this code at checkout. There are many other codes. For example, get a 30% off, then you can click on that, and this code's gonna give you a 30% off. But I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to this website, everysavings.ae. So once you're here, you're gonna see many codes as well. So the first one is 20% off. AVI is the code, and there's another one, 15% off. New 15 is the code. So as you can see, there are many codes. You can go and give them a try. So this is a verified one. Get a flat 10% off. So you can click show code. And ADMFL10 is the code. So as you can see, there are many codes. You can give them a try and see whether you can save up some money. So let's say one doesn't work, this 10% off doesn't work, you can always go ahead and try other 10% offs on the website. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.